Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Late Tasty Kitchen. Hope you are doing really good. So today we are going to see pancake. How we are going to make pancake. So today we are going to feature Vedaraniya Pillai Dayanesan's comment. So he asked for this pancake. So let's get started with this pancake. But before that, for y'all also can get featured in our videos. So do comment us, let us know what you really love to eat. What's your favorite dish? Comment on our videos. We'll feature your comments on our upcoming videos. So it's time. So we are in 2021. So it's really a good time. So whatever happens, we have to keep our tummies happy. So we'll get started with the video. Now it's time to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Now add 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And then, so now we are adding the dry ingredients. Sprinkle the salt for taste. And now you can mix the mixture. So once it's well combined, now we are going to add our wet ingredients. So let's take an egg and break it. So we are going to let it inside this bowl. So be careful when you're breaking the egg. Sometimes you might drop the shell inside. So we are going to mix the milk, 1/4 cup of butter. So normally it's unsalted butter. So give it a whisk. So it will turn into a very pretty, mouth-watering creamy mixture. So now it's time to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So now again give it a whisk. Sometimes you might get a smell. The vanilla essence makes a good smell. So now add this mixture into the flour. So we are going to combine the wet ingredients and dry ingredients. Whisk it slowly because when you whisk it fast, sometimes lumps might form. So to avoid lumps, you have to keep whisking it like a little by little, maybe slower. Or else you have to add the liquid, like the wet ingredients, very slowly or one by one. So it would be great. So now you can see the creamy mixture is ready. So it looks really good. Take a small piece of butter and we are going to put it in a pan. So let it melt. So it looks so satisfying. So yeah, now it's time to take our pancake out. So yeah, you have to pour a small amount of mixture. Maybe if you want a big one, you can even pour more. So you have to let it cook for some time. Once it turns a little brown color, a light brown color, you can turn the other side and let it continue with the same process. So if you are satisfied, then you can go for the next one. So continue with the same process for all and see how satisfying this looks. Really satisfying and good. So see, because we did it perfectly, there is no lumps. So you can see it's like the pores are opening. So it's really good. And we have to arrange it in a plate. Yes, we have seen enough videos. Today we saw how to make pancake in our videos, which is really good. We can have it as breakfast, even for like snacks. So it's really good. And as Mr. Vedaraniya Pillai Dayanesan mentioned, he said that earlier we did a cookie video. So he has mentioned that as well. So it's useful for kids. Even this pancake is useful for kids, because they love to eat pancakes, including myself. Okay, I'm not saying I'm a kid. So yeah, other kids who are watching this video. So yes, we are done with the video. So we are going to wrap up the session. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates. And keep commenting, get featured on our video next week. See you on next week. Until that, good day.